Hey gardeners, welcome back to your channel name. Fall is here and your garden is likely covered in beautiful, colorful leaves. But instead of bagging them up and sending them to the landfill, why not turn those leaves into garden gold? That's right, today we're diving into DIY composting with fall leaves. Stick around and I'll show you how to turn this autumn abundance into rich, nutrient-dense compost for your garden. Let's get started. So, why should you compost fall leaves? Well, fallen leaves are rich in carbon, which makes them an ideal brown component for your compost pile. This carbon is essential for balancing out the green materials like kitchen scraps and fresh grass clippings. When you compost leaves, you're not only recycling nature's bounty but also creating a soil amendment that's perfect for your plants. And the best part? It's completely free. Host, voiceover. Did you know that leaf compost, often called leaf mold, improves soil structure, retains moisture, and feeds beneficial soil organisms? It's the secret behind lush, thriving gardens. Alright, let's talk about what you'll need to get started. For DIY composting, you'll need a good rake to collect those leaves, a compost bin or designated compost area in your garden, a garden fork or shovel for turning the compost, a little water to keep the pile moist. And if you want to speed up the process, a lawnmower or leaf shredder can help chop the leaves into smaller pieces. Host. Shredded leaves decompose much faster than whole ones, so if you have a leaf shredder or a mower with a bag, use it. The finer the leaves, the quicker they'll break down. Now let's build our compost pile. The key to a successful compost pile is balancing carbon-rich browns with nitrogen-rich greens. Start with a base layer. Lay down a few inches of shredded fall leaves as your base. This will help with drainage. Add green materials. Add a layer of green materials like kitchen scraps, coffee grounds, or fresh grass clippings. This provides the nitrogen needed for decomposition. Alternate layers. Keep alternating layers of shredded leaves and green materials. Aim for about 3 parts. Leaves to 1 part greens. This ratio keeps your compost pile balanced and speeds up the breakdown. Host. Make sure to keep your compost pile moist but not soggy. Think of a wrung-out sponge, just enough moisture to keep the microbes happy and working hard. Turning your compost pile is key to keeping it aerated and speeding up the decomposition process. Use a garden fork to turn the pile every 2 to 3 weeks, mixing in fresh air and allowing the microbes to do their magic. Host. As you turn the pile, you'll notice it heating up. That's a good sign. It means the microbes are breaking down the leaves and other materials, creating heat as they work. In a few weeks, the temperature will drop, and that means it's time to turn the pile again. Host. Voiceover. Tip. If your pile smells sour or rotten, it might be too wet or have too many greens. Add more shredded leaves and give it a good turn to fix this. So, how do you know when your compost is ready? It should look dark, crumbly, and smell like fresh earth. Most compost piles take about 3 to 6 months to break down, depending on the climate and how often you turn the pile. Host. Use this compost as a top dressing for your garden beds. Mix it into potting soil, or spread it around the base of your trees and shrubs. It's the perfect way to return those fall leaves back to nature. And there you have it. Turning fall leaves into garden gold is that simple. Whether you're new to composting or a seasoned pro, using those autumn leaves to enrich your garden is a great way to reduce waste and improve your soil. Give it a try, and let me know how it works out for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. See you in the next video. Happy gardening, everyone!